Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this design your own water bottle kit. So my daughter already had this water bottle for over 2 months now, and she loves this water bottle. I like how she's able to design it herself by adding all the different rhinestones that it comes with. And then it even has a saying that you could put on, and it even has these poppets for the handle. And this is the unicorn edition. Here's the unicorn. And this even has a light that you can attach on the bottom that you can turn on and change the different settings of the lights. You press the button again, it changes. Then we turn it off like that. This has a one button to open it. You just press this and it opens up. And it even has a locking switch if you want to lock it. This is a leak-proof water bottle. As you can see, I have water in here, and it's not leaking anywhere. And when you open it, this has the straw design. So here's a straw that it comes with, and the sippy part to drink for the water bottle. If you guys want to buy this, you can buy this from Amazon. I posted a link in the description. Overall, this is a great water bottle for anybody that wants to design their own water bottle. I like how it has a leak-proof design. I also like how it has a lock, so this could prevent this thing opening by a mistake. I like that you're able to turn on the light if you want to turn on the light with the water, just to make it look a little bit cooler. And also like how the stickers on this is very durable, and this stays on very well even after you wash it a few times. The color is very nice, and even holds 600 milliliters worth of water in here. So this is also great for tracking how much water that you drink during the day. So this is a very cool and unique water bottle.